Welcome to Sanex Data Analytics YouTube channel. In my previous video, I discussed how to enter the data in SPSS and import from Excel into SPSS. In this video, I explain data cleansing and data transformation. Let me open SPSS datasheet. This is the datasheet which was created in the previous video. The same dataset I use in this video. I explain data cleansing and data transformation together. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Select Gender. Click OK button. In the output, there are 5 categories: male, female, 11, 22 and 222. Actually, we have 2 categories, male and female. So we have 3 categories are unspecified, 11, 22, 222. Need to transform these categories. Explain how to transform these categories into male and female. Select main menu, transform, recode into same variables. Select gender, move to the right hand side. Click old and new values button. The left hand side you have to enter unspecified values. The right hand side, in which format you need to transform, you give the number in the right hand side. Now I want to transform 11 into 1. So I entered 11 in the left hand side, which means old value, and I am transforming 11 into new value 1. Then click add button and transform 22 into 2 and 222 into 2. Click continue. Click OK button. Now we want to check whether these categories are transformed into male and female. Select Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Gender is selected already. Click OK button. You got the output. The other 3 categories are transformed into male and female. The same way, you have to check the other variables. Go to Analyze, select Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. The left hand side, single click, press Ctrl A to select all the variables. Move to the right hand side by clicking this arrow button. Click OK button. We got output for all the variables. We check one by one. First one, gender. Already we cleaned. Second one, marital status. Age. Institution. Occupation. Experience. Income. Question number 1. In question number 1, so we have unspecified number 55. So actually we have 5 categories. Not satisfied at all, satisfied a little, somewhat satisfied, satisfied, extremely satisfied. But we have number 55. So this is wrongly entered. The 55 needs to be transformed into 3 ways. The first one, you have to check with the questionnaire, get to know the information, then come and replace. The second one, so this is ordinal data. The median value of ordinal data is 3 because we have 5 categories, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need to replace extreme values or the missing values or unspecified values by median value. The third one, you transform 55 into 5 because the 55 is entered instead of 5. This is assumption. Now we transform 55 into 5 in this case. Select transform, recode into same variables. You press reset, select question number 1, click old and new values. The left hand side you have to enter 55, the right hand side you have to enter number 5. Click add button, then click continue. Click OK button. You may check whether question number 5 is cleaned or not. Analyze frequencies. Reset. You choose only question number 1. Click OK button. There is no 55 in question number 1. Similarly, we need to transform other variables wherever it is needed. This is the output window. Whatever we are making changes, that means a transformation, that will be updated in the data sheet, not in the output. For example, this is a Q1. In the Q1 still we have 55, but we made some transformation. The 55 changed into 5. That is not updated in the output window. If you want to check, you want to reconstruct the frequency table for the same variable, as I have done the question number 1. This is a new frequency table. In the new frequency table I don't find 55. So likewise you have to check all the variables. Now I check one by one. Question number 2 is okay. 3, 4, 5. So we have some issue in question number 5. So we need to change number 11. Now I transform number 11 into 1. Go to transform, recode into same variables, reset, select question number 5, click old and new values button, enter in the left hand side number 11, and I want to change 11 into 1. So I need to enter number 1 in the right hand side. Click add button, click continue, click OK. The transformation is updated in the data sheet. Finally we will check for all the variables. Next, question number 6, no issue. Question number 7, question number 8. So we have some issue in question number 9. Here I want to change number 33 into 3. Transform, recode into same variable, reset, select question number 9, click add and a new 33 into 3. Click add, click continue, click OK. Next you have to check 10, no issue, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, yes, here I have 10. So in this case now I want to change 10 into median value 3. Transform, recode into same variable, reset, question number 16, the same procedure, number 10 into number 3. 3 is the median. I explained 3 ways of transformation. This is one of the ways. Click add button, click continue, click OK. And last one, question number 18. I need to transform 44 into 4 or median value. Now I want to change into median value. Reset, question number 18, 44 into median value 3. Click add button, click continue, click OK button. You close this window. This is the output window. Whatever we made changes in the variables, that is updated in the backend datasheet. Go to analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. I want to construct frequency table for all the variables. Select all the variables. Click OK button. This is the output. First one, no issue. Second one, institutions, occupation, experience, income, from question number 1 to 18. 2, all the variables are updated. So for what I transformed the variable is called recode into same variable. Now I want to transform into different variable, which means the original values will not be disturbed, but the same thing will be transformed into some other form and saved in new variable. Let me explain. I recode into different variables. I choose income. The income values are from 20,000 to 50,000. Now I want to change this variable into categorical variable and will be saved in new variable. I classify income into 3 categories: 20,000 to 30, 30,000 to 40, 40,000 to 50,000. Go to transform, recode into different variable. Previously we have used recode into same variables. Now I use recode into different variables. Click, select income, move to the right hand side. I want to give the new variable. So whatever I am making changes, that will be saved in the new variable. I am giving income new. Click old and new values. I am selecting a range. Here 20,000 to 30,000. I am converting into first group. So I need to enter 20,000. 20,000 to 30,000. I am converting into first group. Click add button. Next one, 30,000 1 to 40,000. Next, I am taking this option, all other values, whatever I have the values apart from the given values, that will be converted into category 3. Click add button, click OK. Still OK button is not active. So in this case, the process is not completed. Here you click change button, everything will be completed. Now OK button is active. Click OK button. We have to check whether it is converted into 3 categories or not. Go to analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. You reset, scroll down, you can see the variable name income new. Select and move to the right hand side, click OK button. So we got the answer for income new. So this is a new variable. So actually we have the continuous data set. The continuous data set is converted into categorical data set. So here 1 means 20,000 to 30,000, 2 means 30,000 to 40,000, 3 means 40,000 to 50,000. Now we have to give the label. So here choose variable view, scroll down to the last variable. There you need to give the label. 1 rupees, 20,000 to 30,000. Click add button. Number 2, 30,001 to 40,000. Click add button. Number 3, 40,001 to 50,000. Click add button. Click OK. Go to analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. Click OK button. Look at here. This is the original variable. It is converted into income new without giving any label. I gave the label for all the categories. Now I got the new variable. So this is called recode into different variable. I hope all of you enjoyed my presentation. In my next video, I'll explain data visualization for univariate, bivariate and multivariate. If you are watching first time this video, kindly subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you very much.